Guys, Saurav this side. Today we are going to give a tour of Noida Extension. Noida Extension के बारे में आज आप लोगों को बताएंगे. तो now we are gonna start from Patla Chowk. This is one of the last chowks of Noida. So the Noida Extension name given to the place is basically given by the builders in Noida. Its actual or the original name is Greater Noida West. This is the straight road, and about half an kilometer. After half an kilometer, we will be reaching. After crossing the Hindon River, we will be reaching the Gaur Chowk, and it is also known as Kisan Chowk. इसका नाम गौर चौक बेसिकली इसलिए है क्योंकि इसके बगल में गौर की एक 200 एकड़ की पूरी टाउनशिप है, जिसमें बहुत सारे रेडी टू मूव एंड अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, जिसमें और भी बिल्डर्स के प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, उसकी अपनी मार्केट्स हैं, एंड इट्स अ ह्यूज सिटी to be said, and it's very good. You can see the atmosphere. The weather is quite nice today, and greenery is almost everywhere you will find. So the main purpose of going to Noida Extension and telling you people is just because it is one of the most economical, first of all, and secondly, if you see the future of this area is very very good. The reason for that is कि क्या होने वाला है, तीन चीज़ें हैं, तीन मेन क्राइटेरिया हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एक जो हमारा जेवर में एयरपोर्ट बनने वाला है, उसकी यहाँ से कनेक्टिविटी है. अब यहाँ से सीधा जो हम गौर चौक पे जा रहे हैं, वहाँ से आप राइट ले लेते हैं तो सीधा परी चौक पहुँच जाते हैं. परी चौक से यमुना एक्सप्रेसवे से आप जेवर पहुँच जाते हैं. सेकेंडली, बिफोर द एयरपोर्ट, few days back, 2-3 days back, Mr. Yogi have allotted around 100 acres to Noida Film City. It will be a subsidiary of the Film City in Mumbai. On same basis it will be built, so employment will boost and everything will boost. And so out here we will be telling you briefly about the projects in the Noida Extension currently, and population is there. Around 3 lakh people are currently residing in Noida, whether they own a flat or on the rent. So the area is not very big. We will be giving you a short tour of that, but the thing is, you have all amenities, everything you required, you can find that out here, whether it is commercial, residential, schools, colleges, petrol pumps, markets, everything. So let me tell you the connectivity. This is Greater Noida, Gaur Chowk, the one you are seeing in the front. We will be taking the left. The connectivity from the left is towards NH24, which has been constructed recently to 14 lanes, which will be taking you straight to Lucknow on the right side, and on the left you will be going to ITO. So right now we are taking the left. This is Gaur Chowk. These are the Gaur malls, and we will be now showing you the Gaur city. This is the road. About 2 kilometers from here you will be reaching NH24, and from there the other side of the NH24 is Ghaziabad, Indrapuram. If you will take the left, you will straight reach to ITO in about 10 to 15 minutes, because it's a huge highway, 14 lane, no stoppage, speed limit is around 100. So everything is good about that. The connectivity is very good. If someone is coming from Delhi, this is the best route, taking NH24. The chowk we came from is Patla Chowk, and उस चौक से आने से क्या है कि वो नोएडा से कनेक्ट करता है. उस रोड से अगर आप सीधे चले जाते हैं, दैट इज़ FNG, आप फरीदाबाद और गुड़गांव में फ्यूचर में वहाँ कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे. और ये जो रोड है, ये सीधा जो जाता है वापस गौर चौक से, जब हम राइट लेंगे, अभी हम आपको दिखाएंगे, तो यू विल बी गोइंग टू परी चौक. So all this is the starting of Gaur city. As I told you, it is a 200-acre project which is under development. There are many avenues, up to 14 avenues are there. So people are residing here. It is one of the huge society in Delhi NCR. In every building, after every building you will be getting a small market space, and all groceries and amenities are there. So why the main reason of today's video is that if you see the growth of real estate in Delhi NCR, there are only few places where the development happen, because everything is saturated. If you talk about Delhi, if you talk about Gurgaon, if you go the other side Sonipat, there is no very huge development, and I don't know in future it will be. But if we talk about Noida, it is very well situated, very well connected, and very well developed. If you talk about roads, it has better roads than any other city nearby. The connectivity is very good, the roads are huge, and if you see, this is the last point I told you, that Gore City starting from there, it will end here at this mall. So it's a huge project, and there are many avenues, as I told you. Now we will be going back to the Gore Chowk so that we can show you more, and we will be going towards Pari Chowk. Let's come to the commercial part now, because residential you can see. Commercial, there are many builders who are currently building commercials first, and second, there are many projects which will be upcoming. The reason for that is because right now around 3 lakh people reside in the area I will be taking you through in next few minutes, and the requirement of the people are very high in today's world. The grocery stores, the PVRs, the everything like that, they need to cater them. So the investment opportunities for everyone, even for the working class or some investor, are very huge. Not from today, from past many years in this area, but now it's fully developed. As I told you, 3 lakh people are residing right now, and in future that will be 5. Because of the pandemic, it delayed. The estimate was by the end of this year 2020 they should have been 5 lakhs, as I told you, but that will happen to mid 21. So next I will be telling you, on the left in the corner you can see a mall of Gore is being built up, and next to that there is Gore City Mall, which is operational. PVR is there, about 7 to 8 screens PVR is there currently, which is being operating. ये अपना गौर चौक, इसको किसान चौक भी बोलते हैं। इससे अब हम लेफ्ट ले रहे हैं। अब आपको दिखाते हैं कुछ अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स। वो सामने है गौर सौंदर्यम, विच इज़ वन, ये नोएडा का ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्सटेंशन का वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बिल्ड एंड मेंटेन्ड प्रोजेक्ट है। इट्स अ वेरी हाई construction quality project, very good project. If you will see on the left, there is Gore City Center, which is being constructed right now, as I told you before. After that, the second one I told you is Gore Mall, which is City Mall, which is operational now, which have mainly all brands, Mark and Spencer, PVR and everything. So in this lane on the left side, we are seeing there will be almost around 18 commercial hubs. The 2 I told you about, the third you can see Galaxy Diamond up next, then there is HNS project, then there are many more on the left side. As we will go further, ATS is also coming with a commercial right here, it's being built up, as you can see on the left. So all these developments are being done, and being done from past many years. It's a good place to invest your money, because the rate here today are not very huge as compared to Delhi NCR, but they will be in future, because there will be very well connectivity, very much population out here, the density will be very much, and the connectivity is the main point. If you need to reach somewhere from here, if you want to go in future to Agra, Lucknow, you have expressway. If you need to go to Gurgaon, you have FNG. In 40 minutes you will be reaching Gurgaon. And if you need to go to Delhi, as I told you, ITO is just 10 to 15 minutes from the 14-lane highway. So these are other commercial projects. Galaxy Blue Sapphire is there, which is being built. Now this left, we will be going straight, but the left turn is to the Crossing Republic, which is जो बहुत दिनों पहले ही डेवलप हो चुका है, बहुत सारे वहाँ प्रोजेक्ट हैं। जो ये स्ट्रेट रोड भी आपको NH24 पे ही कनेक्ट करता है वाया क्रॉसिंग रिपब्लिक। तो आप दोनों साइड देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जो ऑलरेडी पॉपुलेटेड एरिया है, बहुत ही अच्छा मेंटेन एरिया है। इफ़ यू सी राइट now in the front, these are all residential projects. Supertech, you can see Panchsheel is there, Ajnara is there, all the renowned big Gaur is there, good projects are there, and these are all build up, मतलब कंस्ट्रक्शन हो चुका है, लोग रह रहे हैं, काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका है। सो ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई बन गया है और खाली पड़ा है, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है। पॉपुलेशन इज शिफ्टिंग हियर बिकॉज इट्स इकोनॉमिकल and the connectivity is very good, which I am telling again and again because it is one of the best factor. There are two things, the connectivity and the locality. Locality I am showing you, and the connectivity I have already told you, and I will be telling you the further. Now here Gaur's commercial is coming, as the name suggests, Gaur World Smart City. So as I told you, 18 commercials are being built up. Few have already started back there, few are coming up. Then next is Mahagun Marina Walk is coming. This will be one of the best commercials because it has a very good space, as well as the 5-star Taj. They have contacted them. They have tie-up with them. The 5-star Taj is coming right here at this place on the top floors of the mall. Now, अब हम अगले बात करें तो यहाँ पे एक प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है, कॉमर्शियल ही है, जो कि लंदन मॉल के नाम से है। उसके बाद जो प्रोजेक्ट है जो बन रहा है, आप देख पा रहे हैं वीडियो में, एपेक्स पार्क स्क्वायर के नाम से है। ऐसे ही आगे बहुत सारे लेफ्ट में प्रोजेक्ट्स आएंगे, एज आई टोल्ड यू 18 आएंगे। और हमारे राइट हैंड साइड में जो चल रहे हैं सारे हमारे साइमल्टेनियसली रेजिडेंशियल चल रहे हैं, जो कि बने हुए हैं और लोग रह रहे हैं। चेरी काउंटी ग्रुप, यू नो, क्लियो काउंटी, चेरी काउंटी, ऑल दैट प्रोजेक्ट, इट्स अ वेरी गुड बिल्डअप society, fully occupied society, very good space, ample space. I used to live here once, so I know the locality much better, the project much better. So, and this is Egmurti Chowk. So that was the first. This is the second. If you go further, there are many chalks like this, and development you can see on the both sides. But we are taking roundabout. Otherwise, video will be very large. On the left, there are many projects. On the left, bang on the left, there is the Saya Southex coming. It's a commercial project. And if you see in the front, all these buildings have been built in near past, and all are occupied. If you see that, people are currently living there. Roads are very wide, very smooth connectivity. And one of the best USP, as I am from Delhi, one of the best USP of this place is that there are no red lights. There is no jam. There are all roundabouts. And the development is very good. The movement of traffic is very, it can be slow at peak hours, that happens, but ये नहीं होगा कि आप स्टक हैं, आप खड़े हैं, बत्ती है, 2 मिनट की बत्ती है, 3 मिनट की बत्ती है. So for that you can go freely on a slow speeds as well in the peak hours, but basically it's good. The connectivity is good, the locality is good. You can see the projects. There are projects everywhere. Out of all these projects, around 50% are completed. 50% projects are being built up right now. बन रहे हैं 50%. और करीब 3 लाख लोग इनमें रह रहे हैं. As I told you, कुछ tenants हैं, कुछ खुद का फ्लैट लेके रह रहे हैं. We will be taking left after reaching Gaur Chowk again. So there is also many commercial and residential projects which I will be elaborating a bit. And now we will be taking हम लेफ्ट लेंगे आगे जाके. और ये गौर सुंदरम मैंने आपको पहले भी दिखाया था. इसके जस्ट नेक्स्ट एक कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट आएगा अभी, which I will be showing you after taking the left. From here as well. This is NX1. This is one of the good projects, commercial projects. Residential, as I told you, residential peoples are here from many years now. But the main thing was that they have to go to Noida or Delhi for their basic requirements. But now the commercial is in boom in this area because population is here. जब लोग यहाँ रहेंगे तो उनको जरूरत होगी. बेसिक बात है, उनको बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ जो हैं 24/7 भी आपका यहाँ आ चुका है. PVR, as I told you, वेस्ट साइड इज़ देयर, Mark and Spencer is there. So it's a big market and going to be big market. If someone have their own business or someone wants to start up their anything like retail or showrooms, it's a very good opportunity. So this is Kisan Chowk or the Charmurti Chowk or the Gaur Chowk again. Now we will be taking left. We came from straight, we went to left. We took the U-turn. Now we are going to the left. This road straight is going to Surajpur, and after Surajpur it is reaching to Pari Chowk. It's a very good landmark in Noida, Great Noida. Everybody knows Pari Chowk because it connects to Noida Expressway and to Yamuna Expressway. If you took Noida Expressway, you can reach to Delhi, and if you take Yamuna Expressway, in future you will be going to the Jewar Airport. The things I'm showing you are being built up, but almost every inventory sold in that. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बिका नहीं है माल बहुत पहले से बिक रहा है और बहुत कुछ यहाँ पे बिक चुका है. पूरे प्रोजेक्ट सोल्ड आउट हैं. पूरे प्रोजेक्ट्स में 100% ऑक्यूपेंसी भी है, लोग रह रहे हैं. प्रोजेक्ट इतने सारे हैं कि वी कांट गो वन बाय वन. So we are giving you an overview or a brief about the area. This is a series we are starting because we are into the same sector of real estate, and the upcoming videos we will be trying to focus other projects, मतलब specific projects. Some residential projects will be there, mixed use projects will be there, and all that, so that the people not belonging to Delhi NCR or belonging to Delhi NCR because of this pandemic, they are not able to come and visit these properties, or they want to buy, they want to invest, so we can help them out for the same. IBM is fully functional. People are working here. This is special economical zone, Tech Zone 4 it is known, and if you see in the front there are many projects, and bang on the right a project is coming up known as Golden Eye. ये इकलौता प्रोजेक्ट होगा नोएडा एक्सटेंशन का जो कि आपका मेन रोड पे है. बाकी जितने भी मैंने आपको अभी तक कॉमर्शियल्स दिखाए हैं, NX1 दिखाया था, उससे पहले मॉल्स दिखाए थे जो बन रहे हैं या बन चुके हैं, गौर वालों का है, ये सब जो भी हैं ये सर्विस लेन पे हैं. लेकिन ये इकलौता प्रोजेक्ट है जो अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है और ये बैंग ऑन द रोड है. तो इससे कनेक्टिविटी में बड़ी इजी रहती है. इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव सम टेक अवेज और ये सब चीज़ें, तो ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स में वो काफ़ी अच्छा होता है. आपको अंदर नहीं जाना पड़ता. सर्विस लेन पे क्या होता है कि सैटरडे संडे किसी में अगर PVR है या कोई थिएटर है तो होता क्या, वहाँ जैम लग जाता है सर्विस लेन पे. तो इस पे वो प्रॉब्लम कभी आएगी ही नहीं फ्यूचर में, क्योंकि है ही नहीं. यू विल डायरेक्टली एंटर टू इन द प्रोजेक्ट. So, जैसे आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ न्यू टाउन है सोसाइटी, बहुत सारी सोसाइटीज हैं. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ सोसाइटीज, लॉट्स ऑफ ऑक्यूपेंसी. मतलब इतना सब कुछ है कि आदमी उसको कवर नहीं कर सकता एक वीडियो में कभी भी. लेकिन फिर भी आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट टू शो यू एज मच एज आई कैन. इफ यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट in something in future, we can really help you out. This is as if you are from Delhi NCR, you have heard about Bhutani. Bhutani's few projects already have been delivered. An upcoming project of Bhutani is coming right here. It's known as Grantham. It's a mixed use project. There will be office spaces, there will be your food courts, everything will be there. Now the road on my right is straight going to connect you to the central Noida. As I have tried to explain you as much as I can about the connectivity. So we came from the Gaur Chowk straight, going to Surajpur, then to the Pari Chowk, and then further to the Agra via Yamuna Expressway. And if we take this first roundabout right, then this road will be connecting you straight to FNG, which will take you to first Faridabad, then Gurgaon. In near future it's being built up. In near future it will take only 40 minutes from here to reach Gurgaon. All these projects you are seeing are on the bang on the FNG. These are some good builders. Supertech is there, Ajnara is there. So all these projects are on the FNG, and the projects you are seeing in the front are the projects which are located in Central Noida. And this is the road which is connecting Central Noida to Noida Extension. And the road which is in between both of them is FNG. So I think, in my opinion, everything is clear. The building you see there, the huge building, is North Eye. It is of Supertech, and this will be one of the tallest building in Central Noida. It is being constructed. So now we are going to end our video. As we can see in the front is the place Bartla Chowk, from where we started our journey, and we are ending. we went straight from the Patla Chowk, we took left, which is connecting to NH24. Then we took a round turn, we went straight, which is going to Surajpur and connecting Pari Chowk. Then we took a right, which is connecting to FNG. We are currently on FNG. If you like this video, please do subscribe and like the video so that we can be encouraged, and we will be making good content in near future so that we can benefit as well as some people who needs property or want to make some investment in real estate. You can follow our channel, like our video, subscribe it so that we can be connected in future. All the numbers and everything will be given in the description. If you need any help, any queries there about the locality of the city of Noida, Noida Extension, Greater Noida. We work as well as on Yamuna Expressway. Some plotting is out there, so we can do all that. So now we are going to end our video. Thank you very much for your time.